Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust collision avoidance sensitivity on ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, go to the settings, then go to Reactive Obstacle Avoidance. Now you will find less collision mode and you can change it to none, which means it will clean the corners of the whole house. When encountering furniture, table and chair legs, the robot will slow down, touch the corner and turn to ensure that the corners are cleaned. You can set it to balanced, which will intelligently adjust the way, or sensitive, which will make it avoid hitting furniture, tables, chairs and beds and clean low objects like cords as close as effectively as possible. Up close as effectively as possible. However, this may cause it to miss certain spots, so it's all up to you depending on how you want it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.